present you guys with the plaque for being number 1 in our donations campaign in January. This Cumberland Mountain State Park is in first place.
Oh, wow. That is
in
amazing.
2020.
That's
Has
amazing.
the names of all the donors,
That's awesome.
including, as I understand, both of you guys. So thank you very much for your hard work and your donation.
The donations came from where people were, they're just needing to get out. And Tennessee State Parks, we were there for those communities and just our neighboring states. We had a lot of patrons come in, visitors. So if anything, state parks are so vital just to the locals and people that come in here to enjoy what we offer. As a state park system, we don't charge anybody to come into our park, so these donations help us manage and run and bring more beautiful amenities to your park.
Wow.
That's amazing.
Oh, look at that.
Isn't that everybody's names? Man, that's awesome, guys. Probably over half of the donors that donated were from Barkley folks, and you know how competitive they are.
Yeah.
They didn't want to lose, you know. So a lot of these names are Barkley runners, Barkley enthusiasts, and we're happy that they love Frozen Head so much, for sure.
Yeah.
Congratulations. Great job on all of this. You guys did an amazing job.
Whoa, what is this?
How did you all get all these donations? Did you do anything special?
It's just consistently being awesome. Like all the time. Like it's not one thing, it's just 365, really. Honestly, what I noticed from this fundraiser, I mean, situationally, I'd say people really did genuinely appreciate having the park open and available for them to use while they were dealing with COVID. And people came out, you could really, like, with their families, and you could just see that they really appreciated it being here for them.